What's the secret to steak perfection at home? It all starts with the right grill. In this video, we reveal the top picks that turn any backyard into a 5-star steakhouse. Links to each of the best grills for steaks are at the top of the description box. When you use the S&S Grill's MasterKettle, you're stepping into a world where classic charcoal grilling meets modern innovation, all designed to help you achieve steakhouse quality results at home. The MasterKettle stands out thanks to its patented slow and sear insert, which transforms a traditional kettle grill into a high-performance searing machine. This insert creates an intensely hot, concentrated zone perfect for searing steaks, delivering that coveted crust and juicy interior every steak lover craves. The 22-inch diameter provides ample cooking space, so you can easily grill multiple steaks or prepare sides and mains together. The integrated thermometer and precise vent controls allow you to dial in the exact temperature you need, whether you're looking for a quick high-heat sear or a gentle reverse sear for thicker cuts. The heavy-duty porcelain enameled steel construction ensures excellent heat retention and durability, while the hinged cooking grate makes it simple to add more charcoal or wood chips for extra flavor without disturbing your food. The deep bowl and tall lid design give you extra room for indirect cooking, making it easy to experiment with different techniques and recipes. You'll find the MasterKettle incredibly versatile. The slow and sear insert isn't just for steaks, it's perfect for low and slow barbecue as well. So you can smoke ribs or brisket just as easily as you can sear a ribeye. The grill's thoughtful design includes a removable ash pan for easy cleanup, sturdy wheels for mobility, and tool hooks to keep your grilling essentials within arm's reach. Every detail is engineered to make your grilling experience seamless and enjoyable. With the S&S Grill's MasterKettle, you can expect consistent, mouth-watering results every time you fire it up. Whether you're aiming for a hard sear or experimenting with reverse searing, this grill empowers you to achieve steak perfection, all with the classic flavor of charcoal and the convenience of modern features. Next up on my best grill for steaks list is the Z Grill's 450B wood pellet grill, which brings a new level of precision and ease to steak grilling, blending the rich flavor of hardwood smoke with the convenience of digital controls. This grill stands out for its 8-in-1 versatility, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, sear, braise, barbecue, and char grill, all with one device. The 450 square inches of cooking space provide ample room for multiple steaks, sides, or other proteins, making it ideal for both intimate dinners and larger gatherings. One of the most compelling features of the Z Grill's 450B is its digital temperature control system. With the push of a button, you can set your desired temperature, and the grill automatically maintains it by feeding pellets as needed. This means you can achieve a perfect sear at high temperatures or dial it down for a gentle reverse sear, giving you unmatched control over the doneness and flavor of your steaks. The convection fan ensures even heat distribution, so every inch of your steak cooks exactly as intended. The pellet hopper holds enough fuel for hours of uninterrupted grilling, and the automatic electric ignition makes startup quick and effortless. The grill's robust steel construction and powder-coated finish ensure durability and longevity, even with frequent use. Cleanup is made easy with a removable grease tray and drip pan, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time maintaining your grill. With the Z Grill's pellet grill, you'll discover the joys of wood-fired flavor in every bite. The combination of precise digital controls and the unmistakable aroma of real hardwood smoke means your steaks will have a depth and complexity that's hard to match with traditional grills. It's a grill that offers both reliability and creativity, making it a favorite for steak lovers who want both convenience and exceptional taste. Checking in at number 3 on my best grill for searing steaks list, we have the Weber Original Premium Charcoal Grill, which is a timeless classic that continues to earn its reputation as a steak lover's go-to grill. The porcelain enameled bowl and lid are designed to retain heat efficiently, ensuring that your steaks cook evenly and develop a beautiful caramelized crust. The 22-inch cooking grate provides plenty of space for searing multiple steaks at once, and the hinged design makes it easy to add charcoal or wood chips for that extra burst of smoky flavor. Control is at your fingertips with the adjustable dampers, allowing you to fine-tune the airflow and temperature to suit your preferred grilling style. Whether you're aiming for a quick, high-heat sear or a slower, more controlled cook, the Weber Kettle responds with precision. The built-in lid thermometer gives you real-time feedback, so you can monitor your cook and make adjustments as needed for perfect results every time. The one-touch cleaning system and high-capacity ash catcher make post-grill cleanup a breeze, letting you focus on enjoying your meal rather than worrying about maintenance. The sturdy wheels provide mobility, so you can position your grill wherever the party is happening, and the classic kettle shape promotes even heat circulation for consistent results. With the Weber Original Premium Charcoal Grill, you can expect an authentic, hands-on grilling experience that brings out the best in every steak. The combination of classic design, modern convenience, and the unmistakable flavor of charcoal ensures that every cookout is a memorable one, whether you're grilling for two or hosting a backyard feast. Next up on my roundup of the best grills for steaks is the Spider Grill's Huntsman Kettle Kamado, which is a grill designed for those who demand both durability and performance in their steak cooking arsenal. Crafted from heavy-duty 5mm thick carbon steel, the Huntsman excels at heat retention, creating an optimal environment for both high-heat searing and low and slow barbecue. The seasoned finish on the interior only gets better with time, adding character and flavor to every meal you prepare. What truly sets the Huntsman apart is its advanced temperature control system, the Venom. This best-in-class controller gives you the ability to maintain exact heat for hours, whether you're searing a steak at high temperatures or smoking ribs for a weekend barbecue. The Venom integrates with the Spider Grill's app, allowing you to monitor and control your grill's temperature and cook times from anywhere. Ideal for multitaskers who want to socialize while grilling. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, the Venom also offers full manual control for those unplugged moments. The laser-cut, thick-gauge cooking surface delivers beautiful grill marks and supports a wide variety of cooking styles. The weather-resistant exterior, highlighted by stainless steel accents, ensures that your grill stands up to the elements, while the generous interior can hold up to 40 pounds of pork, making it as versatile as it is robust. The Huntsman's heat retention and stability mean that your steaks will be cooked evenly, with a consistent crust and juicy interior. When you use the Spider Grill's Huntsman, you can expect a grilling experience that's both precise and rewarding. The combination of smart technology, classic Kamado design, and rugged construction delivers exceptional results every time, allowing you to focus on perfecting your steak game and impressing your guests with every cook. So, what is the best grill for steaks? If you truly want the best grill for cooking steaks, then the Schwank Portable Infrared Grill is a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve steakhouse quality results at home or on the go. Utilizing Schwank burner technology, the same technology found in the world's top steakhouses, this grill delivers intense overhead infrared heat that reaches temperatures up to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is key to creating the perfect steak, a deeply caramelized crust that locks in juices while leaving the interior tender and flavorful. Portability is at the forefront of the Schwank's design. The compact size, integrated carrying handles, and lightweight construction make it easy to transport, whether you're grilling in your backyard, at a tailgate, or on a camping trip. The lift handle allows you to adjust the grill grate's height, giving you precise control over the distance between your steak and the heat source for custom searing and finishing. The battery-operated igniter and gas knob mean you can fire up the grill in seconds, getting you from setup to steak in no time. As the best barbecue for steak, the Schwank's stainless steel construction ensures both durability and easy cleanup, even after repeated high-heat cooks. The grill is available in both propane and natural gas models, so you can choose the fuel that best suits your needs. The overhead heating element minimizes flare-ups and promotes even cooking, giving you confidence that every steak will be cooked to perfection. When you use the Schwank Portable Infrared Grill, you're bringing the magic of a steakhouse right to your table. Expect steaks with an unparalleled crust, juicy interiors, and the kind of flavor that only comes from true high-heat searing. It's a grill that empowers you to elevate your steak cooking skills wherever your culinary adventures take you. Thanks for tuning in to my best grill for steaks roundup. If you're interested in any of these grills, you'll find all the links you need in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.